Who called me? Okay, cellular. Everyone is in the 6th standard, right?
Sir, he is 4th. We are all 5th.
Okay. Okay, so today we will be starting our mathematics class. And everyone, there are 53 participants I can see online, and there are quite a few here, sitting here. So, what is the first chapter? Number numeric system, right? So, should we begin with combined numeric system?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That was quite a loud cheer. Yes, sir. So, first of all, we all know what are all the basic numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
From 0 to 9?
Yes, sir.
We all know the basic numbers from 0 to 9?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 up to 9, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We know all these numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, how do you write the numbers? Usually, how do you write the numbers? Either we write it like this, or we write it as a combination of this, isn't it? Like we can write 543, isn't it? Combining one or two of these digits. These are basically the 9 digits, we can say, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
By combining the digits, we can write these numbers.
Yes, sir.
Maybe 543, 1290, isn't it? Anything.
Yes.
So these are your basic usual numbers that you have known right till now. Then the numbers have actually, you can say there are two systems. One is the Indian system of representation. Another is the international system. Yes. So we know what are the Indian systems.
Yes, sir.
I'll just give you a brief idea. So in Indian system, yeah. All okay? Okay. Sorry? Yeah, I'm doing the pen. Don't worry about that. So, in Indian system, how do you denote the numbers? This is simply we know ones, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is 10.
Yes, sir.
Then comes 100.
1,000.
Slowly, yeah, 10,000. Wait, yeah, hold on. Then comes 1 lakh, isn't it? Yes, everybody knows it, isn't it? Yeah. This is 1 crore. Then we have 10 crore, right? Isn't it? But after 10 crore, they have not given anything in your book. Let me tell you a secret, huh? After 10 crore, you can write this. No. This is Indian system. This is not international million. No. Somebody say something. What? Arab, not Arabian. This is, see, this one everyone knows 10 crores. Wait, this one is ones, isn't it? 10, 100, 1,000. This one we know. Takes time to write, isn't it? Slow. 10,000. Lakh. Lakh is what? LAKH, yeah. LSC also. Hold on. 10 lakh. This is 1 crore. And this is 10 crore. But after 10 crore, there is nothing given in a book. This one is called what? Arab. 1 Arab. Okay. Then will come 10 Arab. Like that. So we are not concerned with Arab. We can remember up to 10 crore. This is your which system? Indian system. We Indians are proud to use the system, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The moment we go outside of India, they will be asking, what is lakh? I haven't heard of lakh, crore, what are these? Say, I'm searching for a duster. Huh? I know. There is no exactly. Just now I taught offline, right? Just now I taught with duster. So is it clear? We all know Indian system. So now, yes, I'm putting all. Relax. So now we'll see what is international system, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Boys are really excited.
Yes, sir.
The girls are really quiet. What happened? Huh? Are the girls already tired? What happened? Are you all tired? Huh? Okay, quiet everyone. This is our international system, isn't it? It goes on like this. We all know this. This is again 1, this is 10, this is 100. Settle down. This is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In Indian system, here we had lakh, isn't it? So instead of 1 lakh, we have 100,000. Then we have 1 million. 1 million, isn't it? Then we have 10 million. Then we have 100 million, isn't it?
1 million.
Okay, up to million is fine. No need to go to billion. Yeah, everybody knows billion. So what is the difference here? Quiet everyone. What is the difference here? Here in international system, after coming to this, after 10,000 we get 100,000. Basically we have to take 3 together, isn't it? International system follows 3 together. Okay? 3 digits together. But in Indian system, after getting here 3 digits, we start taking 2. From here onwards, we start taking 2 only. Right? Right. So someone might ask you, we know what is this? This is 1 crore, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is 1 crore. So someone might ask you, how much is 1 crore in international system?
100 million.
10 million. Or 100 million. 10 million or 100 million?
10 million.
10 million.
10 million.
100,000 is 1 lakh. 1 million is 10 lakh. And 10 million is
1 million.
1 crore.
Sir, Vamshi is scratching.
Vamshe, stop scratching. Okay. So, there might be a question. How much is 1 crore in international system? You can say 10 million. Okay. But I'll show you how to write 10 million instead of writing the entire thing. You don't need to write so much. So these are your systems, your Indian system and international system, right? Okay. After this,
Doubt. Sir, they have doubt creating that. Sir, they have doubt.
yes, Litika? Yes? Page number. It's your number and number system.
3.
Your page number 3, the first page of the first chapter. Okay? Maths.
Mathematics subject.
We have started maths. Okay.
Not raised answer. First one.
Okay. Slowly. I cannot unmute everyone. Yeah, Bhavishi, tell me. Bhavishi? I can't hear you. Because you raised your hand? Okay, we'll move on to entrance corner in a bit. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, I'd like to remind everyone that the meeting will end in a few minutes, in 9 minutes. Okay. If the meeting suddenly ends in 8 minutes, everyone will join again. Okay. Quickly join again. Okay. So now, after your number system, we have phase value. Okay. Before that, let's see. Instead of writing the whole thing, you can write it like this, isn't it? If I give you, quiet everyone. If I give you, suppose 1 million here like this, how will you write it in Indian system? First write the number without the commas, isn't it? And then first take 3, then 2. Okay? So this is how you write from international to Indian system. 10 lakh. This is 1 million, this is 10 lakh. This is a very common knowledge. What? 1 million equal to?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Okay. So next, let us see face value. What is called face value? Face value.
Sir, equal itself. The number and the number itself. The number itself.
Wait. What do you mean by face value?
Number and number.
Suppose we have a number here.
Sir, it is equal.
Now,
Number and number.
if I ask you what is the face value, what is the face value of the number slowly? What is the face value of the number in the tens place? What is the face value of the number in the tens place? Then the face value will say is 3. Okay. And what is the place value?
30.
Exactly. And there is something called place value, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Place value is basically place value is what? It is your face value into value of the place occupied, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is your face value. Face value into value of the place occupied. Which place does it occupy? Tens. So into 10 and the face value is 3. So the place value of 3 here is actually 30. Okay.
So if you do that in place value system. Place value system. You should do it place value system.
Sorry?
The place value. I should do place value system. So you should do that in place value system.
What place?
That place value is a place value.
Yeah, so place value is actually equal to face value into value of the place occupied. What is place value? I wrote here place value and I wrote here shortcut. Just for shortcut, just for saving time I wrote here this is actually face value, isn't it? Is it okay now? Is it okay? Place value is what? Face value into value of the place occupied. Come back quickly. So this 3 into 10, 30. Okay? Acha. So this is the basics. Place value, face value, place value, isn't it? Next, what do you have? Successor and predecessor of a number. You know what is successor and predecessor?
Successor plus one predecessor.
Exactly. Suppose you have a number 2, 4, 8, 9, 1. What will be the successor? The successor will be plus 1. Yes. So if you add plus 1, you will get 2, 4, 8, 9, 2. And what is predecessor?
Minus 1.
You just have to go minus 1. Yes. Go. It will be minus 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What happened, girls? Only the boys are shouting. All okay? Had food? Huh? Okay. So, no, sir? Now look at the board, okay? Look at the screen. So, this is what? Successor and predecessor, isn't it? So next, what do you have? Roman numbers. Who knows Roman numbers? How many of you know about Roman numbers? Roman numbers are very interesting, isn't it? Quiet everyone. Yes, Bhavishya, tell me. I can't hear you, Bhavishya. Come near the microphone and tell me. Just a second. Quiet everyone. Yeah, tell me. Sorry? Okay. Okay, very good. So we'll just quickly revise, okay? The Roman numbers. So, what are the Roman numbers? Roman numbers are numbers which will Roman numbers. What are Roman numbers? What are Roman numbers? What are Roman numbers? You only. There is no one behind you. Only you. How do you denote 50 years in Roman? L. What are Roman numbers? Roman numbers are basically what? We'll use our simple English alphabets, isn't it? And we can denote all the numbers. So there are some standard alphabets actually. For example, the standard alphabets goes like this. I means 1. Right? Then V. V means 5. Then X. X means 10. Good. Then after X, yes. L. L means 50. Then C means 100. Then D 500. Yeah. Then M is 1000. Ah, very good. Everyone knows. Isn't it?
CM 9000.
CM is our chief minister. So these are your what? Some standard Roman numerals, isn't it? Now you may need to write some numbers between them, isn't it? If somebody asks you to write maybe 92, you can use Roman numerals to write them. You'll be using these Roman numerals, isn't it? These are some standard Roman numerals. Like we had our standard numbers from 0 to 9. Like we had our standard numbers from 0 to 9. Yeah. Not now. Wait. Like we had our standard digits from 0 to 9, and we could write all the numbers. Likewise, we'll have this Roman numerals, these standard numerals, and you can express and write any number using all this. Okay? Just a second. Huh? First one? Yes, sir. Just a second. Just a second. Wait. I'm doing it. Wait. I'm doing it. Okay. Who is scratching? Quiet. Okay. So, like we used our standard numbers, standard digits from 0 to 9. Like we use our standard digits from 0 to 9. Can everyone hear me? Just a second. Yeah, everyone should be able to hear. Is everyone able to hear me? If yes, just quickly write yes in chat. Someone just quickly write yes in chat if you are able to hear me. You should be able to hear me. Yes. Okay. Thank you for that. So now, let us continue. What answer? So, girls are always excited. She is excited for answer. Now, what is your name? Ankita. Nikita. It's okay. I have some hearing problem. No, I'm a little old, so I have some hearing problem. Don't worry. Okay, so let us continue. Right now, these are your standard digits for writing numbers in the usual form as we write, but likewise these are the standard digits for writing in Roman, isn't it? Now, for example, Now for example, we took the number what? 92, isn't it? We took the number 92. So how can you write 92? Tell me the answer. She is trying to say what? I. This is 92, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is wrong?
Yes, sir.
Somebody said wrong? Okay, so what is the correct one?
Sir, it's correct one. 1x, 2y.
What?
1x, 2y.
No, not 1x2. It is x1. Stay. It is correct, huh? Why is it correct? I'm telling you. Let us study. Wait. Okay, yeah. Let us study first. Huh? See. 1 means I. Okay? 2 means double I. 3 means 3 I. 3 means triple I. Isn't it? Just a second. I'll just write it like this, okay? 3 means triple I. Now 4, hold on. Wait, let me first complete. 4, hold on. 4 doesn't mean this. After 3, 4 doesn't mean 4 eyes, okay? Remember one thing very well. Any Roman numeral you cannot repeat more than 3 times. An important thing, you can never repeat a Roman numeral more than 3 times. After repeating it 3 times here, this one cannot be this. So, what to do here? Here we'll now consider the next nearest Roman numeral. So, what is actually the next nearest Roman numeral? 5. Remember? I for 1, V for 5, isn't it? X for 10. So the next nearest Roman numeral is 5. Okay? So we'll be expressing 4 with the help of V. And how can we do that? If we write V means 5. But 4 is 1 less than V. Isn't it? So if it is less than V, we'll write something on the left hand side. So how much is 4 less than V? 1. And 1 means I. 1 means I. That is why we are writing I on the left side of V, isn't it? 4 means IV. Okay? Next 5 means V. Now what does 6 mean? Exactly. We'll use the nearest standard Roman numeral V. But this is 6. 6 means 1 plus 5, isn't it? And 1 is plus, 1 is more. So on the right hand side, VI. Okay? Next again 7, same. V, 2 more, isn't it? 2 more, so double I. 8 means V triple I. 3 more, isn't it? Now what does 9 mean? Hold on. Can I write it like this? We cannot write it like this because I again told you we cannot repeat it more than 3 times. Isn't it? That is why we cannot write it like this. Again we'll again consider the next nearest standard Roman numeral, which is 10. Which is 10. X. Now how much is 9 less than 10? 1. So it is less than 10, so we are writing on the left hand side, isn't it? It is less than 10, so we are writing this I on the left hand side. How much less? 1 less. Okay? Yes? Okay. So now, after this, Then we know 10 is x.
X.
So and so on. We'll follow this way, isn't it? Now, if we go to 30, 30 means 3 axes, isn't it? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30. If we go to 40, we cannot repeat more than 3 times, isn't it? This is wrong. We cannot repeat more than 3 times. So 40 will become
XL.
why it will become? Because we have to consider the next nearest standard Roman numeral 50. So L. And how much is 40 less than 50? 10. And it is less than 50. So X for 10, and since it is less, we'll write from the left hand side. Clear? So like this we'll be using for all the numbers here. Hello? Yeah, Aishwarya, tell me. Quiet everyone. Sorry, tell me. Okay. Why can't I write it IIV? Okay, good question. So she is asking, why can't I write? Okay, I'm telling you, Aishwarya. Sure. So Aishwarya is asking. Okay, this one is clear. How we wrote Excel? Okay. Aishwarya is asking, why can't we write 3 as IIV? Why can't we write 3 as IIV? Isn't it? It's a valid question. The nearest is V. IIV. 2 less than V, maybe IIV. And why no? Tell me.
Sir, it's a rule.
What is the rule?
Sir, only one number should be.
It
should be repeated 3 times.
Sorry?
It should be used 3 times, not 4 times.
But here I am using nothing 3 times. Everything is less than 3 times.
Because it's not equal to D only. Sir, you are using
It is a rule. What is the rule here?
See. Only one eye.
See. Yeah, back only one eye. See, first of all, the rule is that any, just a second. The rule is that any small number, any small Roman numeral, this is a small Roman numeral, any small Roman numeral, if you write it on the left side of a bigger Roman numeral, the rule is that you cannot repeat more than once. Okay? The rule is that you cannot repeat more than once. Similarly, for 2 also you cannot write it like this. You cannot write this for 2. This is wrong. Okay? So the rule is what? On the left hand side of a bigger Roman numeral, this is the big Roman numeral, right? V is bigger than I. So on the left side of a bigger Roman numeral, you cannot write a smaller Roman numeral more than only once. And on the right hand side, you cannot write more than 3 times. Okay? What was 8? VIII. Isn't it? But what is 9? It is 1x. Okay? It is not V I. Okay? So in this way we can write all the numbers using Roman numerals. Exactly. Next, I'll just quickly give a Roman numeral here. Yes, Dhanvi, tell me. Yes, Dhanvi. Why do you want? Sorry? Class is only for? No, the class is for Navodaya. Okay, no, it is actually for Navodaya. Huh? You contact with them, you talk to them, okay? Ask them. Okay, so this was Roman numerals. Does anyone want to do some Roman numerals? Huh? If I give something like this. Sorry? Yeah. I'm giving you a Roman numeral. Huh? Hold on. Hold on. So tell me, what is this? You sit. You sit. You tell me. What is this? No. You tell me. Everyone's correct. What is this Roman numeral? Is it a Roman numeral? I am asking her, not you. Sit down. I'll ask you. Sit. Squat. What is your name? How many of you are named Bindu? Are you named Bindu? Are you Bindu? Are you Bindu? Are you Bindu? Yeah, Bindu, tell me. Now tell me. Bindu, now tell me. Is your name Bindu? I can hear you, okay? Right? What is this? CM means what? Chief Minister? Sit down, Bindu. Huh? First, let us see this portion, okay? In this portion, slowly. What, 9,000? What do you mean by M? 1,000. And what is C? 100. So here we can see that M is 1,000. M is 1,000 and C is 100. That we have written on the left side of 1,000, isn't it? Bindu? Isn't it? So what will be CM? First, 1,000 minus 100. You have to subtract 100 from 1,000. It will be 900. Okay. Then you have to do addition. Plus, let us look at this portion. X with L. Again, L is a bigger number, 50. X is smaller, 10. So on the left side, 50 minus 10, 40. And what is this? Very common. This is X means 10. And I on the left side means minus 1. So this is 9. So total how much? 900? 49. Okay. Is it clear? Bindu? Boys? Yeah. Boys know everything, isn't it? They're so excited. Huh? Okay. Next we have different types of numbers. Now, who can tell me what are natural numbers?
Sir, counting numbers are not natural. Counting numbers except 0 from 1 to infinity.
Can you count 0? So, what are natural numbers?
Counting numbers except 0.
Natural numbers are basically numbers which we can count, isn't it? They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and they can go on, isn't it? Do you know where it ends?
Infinity.
What is infinity? So when I asked you, do you know where it ends? Why do you tell me infinity? Can you count infinity? Can you count infinity? So, where does it end? It ends nowhere. It has no end, isn't it? It can go till infinity. Okay, this is the symbol for infinity which you have not been taught, but you don't need to know it. This is just 8 rotated, isn't it? 8 is this, but this is infinity. Okay?
Sir, this boy is lifting bench, sir. Sir, this boy. Sir, I'm telling full the bench, sir. Sir, lifting, wrong boy.
You see, there is a chair there. You see, there is this table there. You see, there is a window there. I can make you sit on so many places, you know. So these are what natural numbers, starting from 1 and can go till infinity. Yeah, means it has no end. Then what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are basically natural numbers only. You just have, yeah, the extra 0. This is your whole numbers, isn't it? And what are integers? Wait, natural numbers start from here, isn't it? Whole numbers start from here. And then come integers. Integers means on the left side of 0, negative numbers. -1, -2, -3 and so on. Isn't it? -1, -2, -3. And it can go on till infinity, correct? So all these numbers will be your integers, isn't it? All these numbers are integers. What? Integers are all of them. Negative numbers are also integers, positive also, 0 also. Okay. Basically, natural numbers means only from 1 to infinity on the positive side. If you include the 0, then you will get whole number. Okay. If you include the 0, you will get whole number. And if you include the negative also as well, you will get the integer. Set of all integers. Okay. And negative, how much negative? Infinitely negative. Negative also it can be -1, -2, -3, -4, -100, -1000, -crore, -infinity. Okay. So remember this. 0 is also an integer. Now, where is it? Now this side, these are called positive integers. Okay. These are called negative integers. And what is 0? 0 is 0. 0 is just 0. 0 is also an integer. Next we have even numbers and odd numbers. What are even numbers and odd numbers? Yeah, it is divisible by 2. What are even numbers? Exactly, numbers which are divisible by 2. Or we can tell numbers which are the multiples of 2, isn't it? So, which is the smallest even number?
2.
Now, so, which are the even numbers? They are divisible by 2. So, which are the numbers divisible by 2? Or you can say they are the multiples of 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, they will be starting from 2, 4, 6, yes, and so on. Yeah, okay, okay.
Sir, which are not divisible by 2?
Which are not divisible by 2, isn't it? Which are not divisible by 2. And what are those odd numbers? Yeah, they start from 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah. Whatever natural number you might have. Whatever natural number you might have. Not whole number, not integers. Next, what are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? Rational numbers.
Sir, numbers which can be written in
Numbers which can be written in this form, P by Q. In this fraction form, isn't it? Numbers which can be written in the form P by Q. They are called rational numbers. But remember, this cube cannot be 0. Okay, can you divide a number by 0?
No.
What is 5 divided by 0?
0.
Nothing. 5 divided by 0 has no value. Okay. What is 0 divided by 5? That is 0. 0 divided by 5, this is 0. But 5 divided by 0 has no value. Okay. So that is why. Since 5 divided by 0 has no value, that is why this q, the denominator of your rational numbers, cannot be 0. Okay. Because you cannot divide a number by 0. Next, after rational numbers, we have irrational numbers. Oh, another thing, this P and Q are what? They are what? Integers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What are this P and Q? They are integers. Correct. Okay. Next we have irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers which cannot be written in the form P by Q? Which cannot be written in the form P by Q? For example, if you take square root of 2, do you know how to take square root of 2?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Tell me, how did you take the square root of 2? What do you mean by square root of 2? Means square of what will give you 2, isn't it? It means square of what should give you 2. Correct? There is a meaning of square root of 2. What is that? Exactly. You cannot find any such.
Yes, sir.
You cannot. No. There is a square root of 2, but there is a square root of 2, but that number is actually not rational. Okay. Everybody okay with the desks and benches? I can hear the sounds. I am not that old. Okay. So what is the square root of 2? That is basically such a number whose square is 2, isn't it? You can find such a number, but it won't be rational. It cannot be written in the form P by Q. Okay? That is why root 2 is irrational. This number means this number, isn't it? No, 0.5 is rational. I'm sure you. Root 2 is irrational. Likewise, root 3 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Okay? Now, what about she said 0.5, isn't it? 0.5, can I write it 5 by 10?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, after cancellation, can I write it 1 by 2?
1 by 2.
See? P by Q form. 1.5. 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10.
yes, sir.
3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
P by Q form.
That is
Okay. So these are your rational and irrational numbers. Now prime and composite. Okay, quickly. What are prime numbers? Why? everyone knows. Okay, fine. I'll just repeat quickly. Prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors, isn't it? Prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors. That is, which can be divided by only two numbers. One and the number itself. For example, let's say 7. So 7 is a prime number because 7 can only be divided by 1 and 7. And nothing else. Yes. 3, 2. The smallest prime number is 2. After that 3. Then 5. Then 7. Then 11. And so on. Now 2 is the smallest prime number, and as you can see, all these are odd numbers after 2. All these are odd numbers after 2. Exactly. So 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, only even prime number. And this? What? And now, what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. Which have more than two factors.
Highest two-digit prime number is 97 or 99.
97. 99 is divisible by 9 and 11. Okay, so what are composite numbers? Numbers which can be divided by more than two factors, isn't it? For example, 4. The smallest composite number is what? 4. Because before 4 there is no other composite number. See, 3 is prime. 3 is prime. 2 is prime. But 1, what about 1?
It's neither prime nor opposite.
Exactly.
It's neither a prime nor a composite number.
1 is neither prime nor composite because 1 does not even have two factors, isn't it? 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. So 1 is a unique number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Right? Yeah, Raghunath, just give me a minute, I'll be with you. Yeah, time over. Just a minute. So, did I tell you to get up?
No, sir.
So what are composite numbers? They are numbers which start from 4, isn't it? 4, 6, 8, 9. All even numbers are composite numbers because they are divisible by 2. Other than the number less than 1, they are divisible by 2. And which is the smallest odd composite number? 9. This is the smallest odd composite number, isn't it? Okay. These are the topics of numbers. Sit down. Just a minute. And from entrance corner, I have got a question for you. What is 0? Is 0 an odd or even number? Odd or even? What is 0? Is 0 an odd number or an even number? 0 is neither odd nor even. Okay? 1 is odd. It's not prime or composite. Okay, quiet everyone. Okay, so this will be all for